Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Rob from clicksgeek.com. Just wanted to make a quick video today to go over responsive search ads. So this is something that is a little bit newer based on when we started making videos last year, and they're pretty cool. So we came into our white label campaign, and I'm going to show you how to make them right now. So if you go into your campaign, you're obviously in your ad group. We go up to ads and extensions. We'll come up right here. Here you got your ads here, and you can see we have some pretty creative ad copy going on. But if you just click the plus sign, come down here to responsive search ad, it's going to give you all these options. Now this is really cool because look at how many headlines you get. And what Google's going to do in your descriptions, what Google's going to do is auto rotate all of these and find the best combination for you. It's really awesome. You have some tracking template stuff and that down here. But so you get, basically you just get more headlines and you get them all mixed and matched, and it's just much better and much more efficient than generic ad copy. So you just would fill this out. That's it. You can see we already have all our descriptions. Compared to a normal text ad, you get 4 instead of 2, and then obviously instead of 4 headlines or whatever, or 3 I think it is now. Now you get all of these, and you can just use these as extra call to actions. That's really all I use them for. Is like bullet points. Like you come to your website. Like for us, we're gonna go here. And maybe we do something like full call tracking, or basically just find call to actions that you want to add into your ads. Something like that. So we can come down here and start filling these out. And it goes to show you how long we haven't had this campaign running for. I don't even have any responsive search ads going yet. So you get the idea. You just come down here, keep finding all of your bullet points and stuff like that, and just add them in. And I highly recommend that you don't half-ass it and fill out everything you possibly can. It's going to give you the best result. You're going to get the best result if you fill out all of it. And it tells you up here what's going on. Add more keywords relevant to your ad group, stuff like that. And eventually it'll come up here, it'll say excellent, and that's when you're good to go. But best advice I can give you guys is to fill out everything. It's really important. Alright, so if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and visit us at clicksgeek.com.